Have you ever stopped to consider why a microwave won't operate when the door is left open? Behind that seemingly simple mechanism are crucial safety switches designed to protect you. When the door isn't fully closed, these switches immediately cut the power to the microwave. This action prevents potentially dangerous radiation from escaping into your kitchen. While it may seem like a simple feature, it's vital for your safety and everyday use. Understanding this mechanism allows you to appreciate the engineering behind common kitchen appliances. Next time you heat your food, remember the importance of that small click when the door closes.